Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be sharing you 4 easy border designs for your school projects. So hope you like this video. If you guys like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So instead of wasting any more time, let's get started. So after completing this, it's gonna be look like this. So that was all for this video. The first one, the second one, then this one, then this one, and then this one. So hope you guys like this video, and yes, do not forget to give your suggestions in the comment box below, and stay safe and stay at home. So we'll meet next time, and don't forget to watch my next video because it's gonna be a choreography video on the song. Sorry, I'm not gonna tell you that. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.